Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are very good, right? And doing your assignments also regularly? Yes. So children, very good that you all are doing your assignments regularly. So today we are going to continue our chapter number 9, right? And we have done our explanation and reading of chapter number 9, the human body. Yes. So today let's recapitulate it quickly, and after that we'll start with question answers. Okay children, so let's start our today's class. What we have learned till now: the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs through which we know about the world around us. Yes, because these are known as sense organs, and sense organs help us to touch, feel, yes, to see the things, to hear the noise, yes, to taste the things. So these all sense organs are helping us to know about the world around us. Yes, so these sense organs are really very important for our body. Yes, and what is an organ system? A group of organs in the body working together to do an important job is called an organ system. Yes, we can say that a group of organs like our nose, windpipe, lungs, they together work together, and they just perform an important job that is known as breathing. And that whole organs that are involved in this process is known as organ system. Yes, so there are basically many organ systems in our body, like skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive system and the nervous system, right? So these all systems are really very important for our body, as they perform different functions. Yes, they are doing their own jobs, and if they all are not doing their jobs properly, then we might get any problem. Yes, we might get any disease. Yes, so the functioning of these organ systems is really very important. The smooth functioning of these organ systems, yes, in organ systems का बहुत अच्छे से फंक्शन करना, बहुत अच्छे से काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Yes children, so we have already learned that what are these systems and which organs involved in these systems. Let's recapitulate it once again. Okay, the skeletal system gives shape to the body, protects the organs and helps in movement. Yes, skeletal system, without the help of a skeletal system our body will not get shape. Yes, and it can't protect the internal organs. Yes, and it does not help in movement. Yes, so skeletal system is somehow very important for our body, as it gives shape to our body and protects our internal organs, right? And what about muscular system? Muscular system helps in moving body parts. Yes, if I am able to move my body part, it is just because of the muscles present over skeleton. Yes, and next is our digestive system. Whatever we eat, if we will not digest it, then it will be really very difficult for us to survive. Yes, to live alive. Yes. Next is the respiratory system. Respiratory system helps us to take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, right children? So respiratory system is the breathing system. Yes, our nose, windpipe, lungs, all these organs are involved in respiratory system, right student? So we take in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. You all know, na? Yes. What about circulatory system? Circulatory system helps us to carry blood to all parts of the body, right? Like heart and blood vessels and all these things, they together form circulatory system, and they helps to carry blood to all parts of the body, right? Excretory system helps in throwing out waste from the body, right? And kidney and these things involved in this excretory system. Yes. And what about reproductive system? Reproductive system helps in producing babies. Yes. And the last system is known as nervous system, that controls all the body parts of the body. Yes, they controls all parts of our body, right? So in this way we have completed our chapter, and we have understood that how these systems are really very helpful for our body. Yes, so yesterday we have done these exercises also. Yes, these textbook exercise we have already done. Yes, so today it's time to do question answers. Okay, so let's begin. So all of you take out your notebook and let's start doing question answers in notebook. Okay, so here is our first question. Name the organ system. Okay, so brain, nerves and spinal cord form our, so brain, nerves, right, and spinal cord मिलकर क्या बनाते हैं हमारा? Yes, they form nervous system. Yes, and the system is really very important, as without it no other organ system will do work. Yes, so this is known as nervous system. Now next is organ system responsible for producing babies. Yes, so it is known as reproductive system. Yes, we have read ना, reproductive system से ही babies जो होते हैं वो होते हैं. Yes, so organ system responsible for producing babies is reproductive system. Okay, next is our answer these questions. How is the skeleton useful to the body? Skeleton जो है वो हमारी body में कैसे useful है? Yes, the skeleton gives shape to the body and it also protects all the soft or internal organs of our body. Yes, skeleton जो है वो हमारी बॉडी को शेप देता है ना, बॉडी को हमारे शेप देता है एंड इट ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट्स ऑल द सॉफ्ट और वी कैन से इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है ना, जैसे कि हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है, हार्ट है, किडनी है, लंग्स है, सारे जो हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट करता है. राइट, बिकॉज इफ़ देयर इज़ नो स्केलेटन तो ये इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स जो होते हैं इनको काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्टी होती है. राइट, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी डेलिकेट, दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट. सो इनको हम अगर थोड़ा सा भी खेलते कूदते या हम थोड़ा सा भी चलते फिरते तो इनको चोट लग सकती थी. सपोज़ दैट इफ़ अगर हम गलती से गिर जाते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा कि हमारी जो बोन है वो फ्रैक्चर वगैरह हो जाती है ना हल्के से. और जब अगर हम बहुत ही लाइटली इफ़ वी फेल डाउन समवेयर तो इतनी ज़्यादा हमें चोट नहीं आती बिकॉज वी आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, क्योंकि स्केलेटन के ऊपर हमारी मसल्स भी हैं. राइट, सो somehow skeleton gives shape to our body and they are protecting, it is protecting our soft or we can say internal organs of our body. Right, so this is our first question, that how is the skeleton useful to the body? The skeleton gives shape to the body and also protects all the soft or we can say internal organs of the body. Okay, now let's see what is our next question, but before that read it once again, that brain, nerves and spinal cord. Yes, brain, nerves and spinal cord forms our nervous system and organ system that is responsible for producing babies is our reproductive system. Right, children? So now let's move on to next question. Okay, let's see. What does blood carry to all parts of the body? Right, blood जो है वो क्या carry करता है हमारी पूरी body parts में? Yes, the blood carries oxygen and digested food. Okay, that is digested food having nutrients to all parts of the body, है ना. blood जो है वो पूरी body में क्या carry करता है? it carries oxygen and digested food, है ना, जिसमें nutrients होते हैं. yes, to all parts of the body, right, to give us energy and all. yes, and blood will carry oxygen and digested food, only then we are able to work properly. yes, we are able to do all the things properly, because if blood will not circulate well in our body then there will be a problem. yes, what is our next question? The next question is, why does the food you eat have to be digested? जो खाना हम खाते हैं उसको digest होना उसका क्यों ज़रूरी है? why it is very important? yes, so the food we eat have to be digested so that body can absorb nutrients it need to give us energy. yes, जो खाना हम खाते हैं उसका डाइजेस्ट होना इसलिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. इट इज़ रियली वेरी important to be digested, to get digested, because द बॉडी कैन एब्जॉर्व न्यूट्रिएंट्स. यस, क्योंकि हमें एनर्जी कहाँ से मिलती है? हमें एनर्जी मिलती है जब हम खाना खाते हैं, उसमें से जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं. यस, दैट व्हेन ब्लड टेक दैट न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड इट कैरी all over the body, at that time we get that energy. Yes, so if our food will not get digested, we will not get that nutrients. Okay, so for that nutrients, for those nutrients which our body need, we really get to digest the food. Yes, because the digested food only can give nutrients to the body. Yes, which ultimately gives us energy. So whatever food we eat, it have to be digested, because the body can absorb nutrients. Yes, and which ultimately gives us energy. Okay, so children, today we are doing only these 3 questions. Rest of the questions and chapter revision we will do tomorrow. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow, and we will revise once again the whole chapter, all the systems together tomorrow. Okay, and so till then you have to do your work very well, in a very neat and clean handwriting, and in a very neat and clean way. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. God bless you all, children.